Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI A9 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the settings, and now let's tap on apps and notifications. Now let's tap on see all 31 apps, at least 31 in my case, and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got reset up preferences, so let's tap on it, and now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your UMIDIGI A9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.